This is a word mat for cooking equipment, or sometimes we say cooking utensils. Knives, forks and spoons, the things we eat with, are called cutlery. This is a knife. This is a good knife for cooking because it looks very sharp. This is a sieve where we put flour to get rid of the lumps. This is an oven. This is a whisk, which we often use to stir eggs. This is a fridge and the freezer. This is a rolling pin, and we can roll the pastry with this. This is a baking tray to cook cookies on. This is a measuring jug to measure liquids. This is a bowl to mix things in. This is a grater for cheese. This is a wooden spoon. This is a pan, or in fact a frying pan when it's low like this. These are weighing scales to measure how many kilos something weighs. This is a microwave, and this is the chopping board with a knife on top. Here we can chop vegetables.